Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 20,000 milliamps power bank, which is a solar power bank. This right here is a solar panel, so it gets juice from the solar UV light, which I think it's fantastic. Of course, also you can plug it to a USB-C. You're probably going to replace this one for a longer one, so this one is not super good, but you can plug it with a USB-C and charge it. And also this one is a 22.5 watts, meaning that it's going to give you enough power, enough juice for fast charging. Just take a look at the size right here. It's quite big. It is quite heavy. This is not the one that probably you're going to put in your purse since it's actually heavy, but it could be the one that you're going to take with you to fishing, camping, hiking, the beach, a friend's house, or just like drop it in your backpack. It comes with 4 cables right here. I'm going to take you in a close-up in a few seconds, but I do want to show you that in case that you can't charge it with a USB-C and it's at night and you need some juice, this right here, this lever, yep, you can actually give it some power and some juice with this one. Let's take a closer look. So take a look at right here to the battery display. You're gonna see that it's actually, you can see the lights over there, meaning that it's gonna be charging. So this thing is charging while I'm giving it this crank, this kind of like handle a crank. So that's actually quite good. I do like the fact that it comes with the 4 cables right here, the USB-A, the lighting port for iPhone, the USB-C, and the mini USB. So these 4, you can actually use them. Of course, you also have right here, where was it, just right here, the port for the actual USB cable. But also you can actually plug this one to charge more devices at the same time. So that's actually quite good. And last but not least, I do like the comes right here with this light flash, a flashlight, not light flash, that comes with modes right here, like SOS mode and emergency mode, just right there. And you can just like turn it off with a short press on the side. So this one is Beast solar power, 20,000 milliamps, 22.5 watts. The handle right here for charging, USB-C charging, battery display, and the flashlight with the 4 cables right here. I like it. I think this is a must-have. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.